What happens in our cities when it rains? Where does the rainwater go? Our cities are built using impermeable materials, meaning that rainwater can't be easily absorbed into the underlying soil. Instead, we rely on rainwater flowing over roads and pavements as runoff before finding its way into drains and sewers, which either carry it away to water treatment facilities for cleaning or discharge it directly into watercourses. This engineered network of concrete, plastic and steel is known as grey infrastructure, and when it can't cope with the volume or intensity of rainfall, urban communities suffer the effects of flooding. There are, however, other ways of managing rainwater and excessive runoff. Sustainable drainage systems aim to replicate natural drainage and storage processes. These processes don't rely on grey infrastructure, but rather manage water closer to where it falls, allowing it to be collected, cleaned, and either released slowly or infiltrated directly through the soil. This is an example of green infrastructure, features of which are being used to reduce both the impact our cities are having on the environment and the impact the changing climate is having on our cities. The National Green Infrastructure Facility, NGIF, located at Newcastle Helix and open to the public, is a fully functioning, living laboratory. We've been conducting research and experiments since 2017 to better understand the function and potential of sustainable drainage techniques. The NGIF allows researchers to monitor environmental systems and processes, including the interactions between soil, plants, and the weather. One type of experimental feature we have on site are lysimeters. Lysimeters are large-scale, self-contained measurement devices. Each lysimeter holds a variety of sensors measuring rainfall, soil moisture, and the amount and quality of water moving through the soil. Data is then analysed by our team of researchers, allowing us to understand how water moves through different planted soil profiles, improving the future design of green infrastructure. Another feature we have is the extreme event Swale. Designed as a flood management feature for the site, it's a broad, shallow channel with gently sloping sides that contains sensors allowing us to study the volume and the speed of flow, storage of water, and the quality of water as it passes through the feature under heavy rainfall. We can also use our swale to simulate flood conditions, and by doing this, learn about how sustainable drainage systems and green infrastructure can slow down flow and reduce flood risk. The research being done at the NGIF's Living Laboratory is increasing our understanding of the relationship between the climate and our built environment, allowing for unique insights into what works best when it comes to implementing green infrastructure and providing vital information for urban planners, developers and decision makers. Correctly implemented, green infrastructure and sustainable drainage systems have the potential to hugely benefit our urban spaces now and into the future. The NGIF site is open to the public, so please come down and see our laboratory for yourself, or get in touch with us to find out more.